This video is all over the place. I'm sorry, it's filmed over a couple days, couple weeks. So, in my journey of installing the FAST 102 intake, I came across issues that I didn't know about. I wish I'd done my research for no other reason other than just knowing what I was getting into. But one of the reasons, or one of the issues, was O-rings. And these look awfully big compared to what I've got. So I hope they work. So when you get your FAST 102, yeah, that's probably not going to work. Your injector O-rings here aren't wide enough. They're not thick enough. And you're supposed to get some new ones. Well, as you see, the old one compared to the new one, let's put them on. That's what I end up with. I don't think that's not right. The issue that I've been having is the injector falls down and is loose. Well, with the new O-ring, I mean, it's not even close. What a waste of money. I mean, not even close. Wow. What a disappointment. Let's try some. Along with all the other stuff that has to change, you also have to get adapters and or spacers for your injectors. So I got these off of eBay, and I hope that they fit. And they do. We'll take a little bit of lubrication to make them fit just right. But yeah, now I'll check to see if they will fit in my fuel rails, even though I'm not going to use these rails. They fit. All right. All right. This is attempt like 2. I'm trying to find correct injectors, or correct O-ring injectors. This was one that I had attempted something on. They're almost the same size. They're close. Oh man, it came out of the spacer. Come on, go down in there. I might be able to make these work. It's kind of tight though. Man, what the heck? I'm fed up with this O-ring situation. These do not even fit. Why is it so hard to make the same size injector? I just don't understand. This is what I've got, and this is the new one. Again, not even close. What is it? Did you get a free hat?
Please.
So I ordered my head gaskets from Jags. Came with a hat and a calendar. The O-rings that I ordered, my FAST, they didn't fit. But, see ya. These, for a 98 Camaro Ls1, fit perfect. So, I don't know. Now that we have our injector O-rings figured out, which was simple, I am making my own bracketry for the fuel rail. And we've got somebody sweeping the walls, washing the walls. Good job. But I'm taking just some angle metal that I found at the shop, cutting it into 1 3/4 inch sections, drilling my holes, and going from there. Hey. All right, so I'm probably gonna knock my phone off the, paint's not dry, phone off the intake. But I made my bracket. Fuel injectors are completely installed. Hole is lined up perfect. These are brackets that I made that are good enough. I'm not going to tighten it all the way up because I got to install this other one on the front.